Hi, everyone. Hope everything's going well. I just wanted to share a few notes with you as we head into our weekend. Of course, first, remember that for today we have a discussion activity in which you'll find a couple of examples of medical writing that is meant for lay audiences, or also called non-medical audiences. And you'll be writing a short analysis of those two examples that you find. And you'll then read through your classmates' posts and respond to a couple of them. And this discussion activity really is a good opportunity to see what medical writing for lay audiences looks like, and of course consider different approaches medical writers might take in these different genres. So then for our upcoming Module 3 project, you will essentially be translating a medical study or a medical review article for non-medical readers. And so now is the time to look ahead to the project instructions for that to get a good understanding of what is involved with that next project. And you can find a link to that to those project instructions in the text version of this announcement. And also with that in mind, you might find it helpful to watch my video discussion of the Module 3 project. Again, the link to that is also in the text version of this announcement. But the first step toward that project is finding some medical studies and or review articles. And so for Monday, then you will need to locate 3 recent medical studies or review articles, or a combination of both, which were published in medical journals within the last 2 years that you or one of your classmates might be able to use for the upcoming project. And of course, a project proposal will then be due soon after that on Tuesday, I believe. So really, of course, to find the medical studies and review articles, you should be using our library resources page. Right? The link to that, again, is in the text version of this announcement, but it's also on Canvas in multiple places, including on our embedded librarian page. If you go to the tab on the left, you can find that. But if you do have any difficulties as you try to find some articles, you can contact me or our embedded librarian. And of course, take a look at the instructions on Canvas and the project instructions for more details about that. And let me know if you have any questions about the assignment. I'll going to leave it at that. We're all good for the weekend. But if you have any questions, just let me know.